Hello everyone, welcome to new video. Let's learn how to create shortcuts on Snapchat. So let's start. First go on your Snapchat app. After that take a photo, and go to next. Now you need to tap on this. Then click on new shortcut. Now you need to select the people who want to add on this shortcut. After that you need to add a name to your shortcut. You can only set emoji. When you done, go on create shortcut. Now when you send a snap, you need to tap on this little icon you set. And you can select the people you want, or you can tap on select all, and send snap. So that is it for this video. If this video like you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Goodbye.